Hi, how are you? Coughing helps clear the throat, lungs, and airway from foreign material. However, constant coughing is painful and irritable as well. The common symptoms of dry cough include nausea, wheezing, vomiting, swollen neck, lymph nodes, hoarse voice, flu-like symptoms, fever, fatigue, headache, sore throat, aches and pains, runny nose, nasal congestion. Dry cough is generally referred as a cough that does not produce phlegm or sputum but causes pain and dryness in the throat. But don't worry, problem solved. Here are some best remedies for dry cough. Ginger, lemon, garlic and onion. Ginger to get rid of dry cough. Being natural analgesic, ginger is mostly found in lozenges and cough syrups. It soothes the sore throat and provides immense relief. Just take a fresh ginger root, peel it and crush it properly. Boil a cup of water and add crushed ginger into it. Strain the solution and add some honey. Drink this decoction 3 times a day. Lemon to get rid of dry cough. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Heat the mixture until it becomes warm. Drink it multiple times a day to get rid of dry cough. Alternatively, combine lemon juice with some honey and add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Drink the solution every day. Garlic to get rid of dry cough. Another amazing remedy to cure dry hacking cough is using garlic. Take a cup of water and boil 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano. After the mixture is cooled down to room temperature, mix some honey and drink it to alleviate the cough symptoms. Onion to get rid of dry cough. This is one of the simplest home remedies to cure chronic dry cough. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of pure honey and 1/2 teaspoon of onion juice. Consume this mixture at least 2 times a day. Moreover, you can prepare a cough syrup by combining comfrey tea, baked onion juice and honey. Drink it every day. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.